It's only like 1/4 of an onion. But I just want, this should be stock and not water. So, seeded onions in there too.
What kind of mushroom do you need? Enoki?
I'll save that for the gumbo. Sea salt. Jeez. Got a little cup of water here. It was tamarind paste. Teaspoon of cayenne. Another tablespoon of agave, and a heaping tablespoon of chickpea flour. I'm going to mix this in a little bit of water so I can thicken this up a little bit. The oyster mushrooms disappeared? Where are they? This should be a little bit. I'm going to get a lot of stuff for the video. Alright, here we go. Hot and sour soup. Pretty darn similar, actually.
It's pretty good.
If you want to thicken it up, you can add more agar or chickpea flour. Just make sure to mix it in a separate bowl so that it doesn't get chunks in it. But it's just thickened up a little bit, but you could thicken it more if you wanted to. And it shouldn't change the taste very much. Mm.
Can you bring my spoon?
And if you want to completely go alkaline, I have a transformation program. There's a link in the description to get a hold of me, and I can have a free consultation call with you. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace.